Oppo Watch X2 will boast dual-frequency GPS and a battery that lasts. It is rumored to have a round dial with a titanium bezel and will come in 3 colors: Azure Peak Blue, Obsidian Black, and Desert Silver Moon. The smartwatch will feature dual-frequency all-constellation GPS, designed to provide precise outdoor running tracking and navigation. Unlike conventional smartwatches that rely on single-band GPS, dual-frequency positioning helps reduce interference and improves accuracy, making it a great companion for serious runners and outdoor enthusiasts. The Watch X2 promises a battery life of 26 hours when using GPS for running and 24 hours for navigation, which should be more than enough for long-distance activities. Oppo is also introducing its new Glacier battery, designed to last up to 2 weeks on a business trip. In full smart mode, the watch delivers up to 5 days of usage, while extended battery mode stretches it to 16 days. On the health tracking front, the Watch X2 comes equipped with ECG monitoring, high blood pressure risk alerts, wrist temperature measurement, and a 60-second health check, positioning it as a strong competitor in the smartwatch segment. The smartwatch is expected to launch in a 46mm size with eSIM support, a 648 mAh battery with 10 watts fast charging, NFC, and 5 ATM water resistance, along with an IP68 rating for dust and water protection. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.